What's this? Beta?
Sir, so this is the Buzzwire game. Actually, it comes under technology. So we prepared. We thought that why to prepare only a model. So we thought like it will be for fun also, and you can also play also. So like this is the Buzzwire game, and the ingredients we use is GC wire, pencil, some wires, the buzzer which will come from the sound, and the switch, and some wires and all. So like actually this is a game. So like the rules are like you need to pass this you need to pass the hook, and then if you like touch somewhere then sound will come out. So that means you are already out.
Okay.
So you can try.
ये जब टच हो जाता है वायर का साथ
Sound.
तब सर्किट पूरा हो जाता है ना.
Yes.
ओके ठीक है. ये पेंसिल दिया है इसमें भी करंट जा रहा है.
Actually, pencil contains graphite in it, but so pencil is not a non-conductor of it, but graphite, it contains graphite in it, and graphite is a very good conductor of it. That's why electricity is passing.
This is our life experiment, by through which any person can burn, can show the illusion of burning fire in his hand.
How?
Let me show. This is our isopropyl ethanol, and
Okay.
it is a hydrocarbon. Now it can. This is experiment. Here the fire burns because of the hydrocarbon, which is inside this bubble, like in form of gas. So when this hydrocarbon gets contact with or this fire, it burns with it.
But your hands is not burning, no?
It is not burning because there was a medium between my hand and the fire, which was a cold water.
Yubita, what is this? Wastewater management.
Yes.
Okay. How does it work?
It is not a working model actually, but
You can explain, no?
yes.
How the water gets treatment here through this means. So you can explain the steps.
As we all know, the factory produces like dirty water, sewages. So instead wasting that sewages, we can filter the water in this way by putting these materials in this container. Then we can give to the different houses of the village, like this.
You will get the water purified, pure
Yes.
water here, no?
Yes.
Pure water will be collected from this type of filters, and after it will accumulate here.
Yes, sir. And it will like, go to different houses of the villages.
So you just wanted to show this is the circle
Yes, sir.
that even the polluted water can be used for other purposes
Yes, sir.
after filtering.
ये तो अब लावा निकालेगा.
No, sir. It will not blast. It is non-active volcano, and it is not blast in past, in present. It is when it will blast, then it will take time to blast. It is known as a dormic volcano.
डॉर्मिक वोल्केनो.
Yes, sir.
ये हमारा इंडिया में वोल्केनो है.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ?
Those see volcano in Haryana.
हरियाणा में वोल्केनो कहाँ है?
I think so.
This is a layer of atmosphere.
Layer of atmosphere.
Yes, sir.
And which layer is the closest to the earth? Troposphere.
Yes, sir.
What are the characteristics of this layer? Troposphere.
Most of the clouds that we see are that clouds contain in this layer, and
Troposphere.
the oxygen that we inhale, most of the oxygen remains in this troposphere.
ये थर्मोस्फीयर
Yes, sir.
और ये एक्सोस्फीयर.
Exosphere. Yes, sir.
ये क्या है ये?
So this is a satellite.
सैटेलाइट.
Yes, sir.
सैटेलाइट क्या करता है यहाँ?
So it orbits in the exosphere because it is the outermost layer of the Earth.
सैटेलाइट ये नेचुरल है या मतलब आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट?
Sir, it's an artificial satellite.
आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट. ये कहाँ से छोड़ा गया? धरती से?
Yes, sir.
पृथ्वी से. इसका स्पीड कितना स्पीड में छोड़ने से एक सैटेलाइट ऐसा ऑर्बिट में घूमते रहता है? do you know what is the limit of the speed, minimum limit of the speed
So
by
actually-
which you
so
can
act-
escape a pollution?
Sir, this is our project from Class 8 Greenhouse Geography project. But we,
Class 11,
no Class 8,
huh?
Class 8.
Class 8. Okay.
While making this project, we thought of making another project like others make, but we thought about our Earth, how was our Earth and how is our Earth before and after technology. From this project, you can also get a message that how was our Earth in while we didn't have any technologies. It was very greenery, happy, peaceful, and after the technology came, every type of pollution is here. Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. Even you can see a garbage truck polluting at water. And now, as you can see, air pollution is happening in this factory while the laborers are working here. And here you can see no pollution is there. Everything is very greenery, peaceful, very mindful, and very happy. So we want to give a message that if we do this, if we continue this type of things in our world, one day the earth will all get destroyed and we will not be here anymore.
बेटा आपका क्या हिस्ट्री का प्रोजेक्ट?
Yes. Good evening, respected chief guests. So here you can see the project. Like this model is related to history, and here you can see all the freedom fighters, and like they have given their life for a country, and because of them only we got to celebrate the Independence Day today. And they fight against the British, and they gave their life for our country.
Who are there?
Yeah.
Who is this? This one?
This is Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
बाल गंगाधर तिलक.
Yes.
ये तिलक दो न्यूज़पेपर एडिट करते थे, मालूम है क्या क्या?
Sorry for that. I can't.
Good afternoon, sir.
ये हावड़ा ब्रिज बना दिया.
Yes, sir.
इसका और एक नाम है, क्या नाम है हावड़ा ब्रिज का?
Rabindranath Setu.
रविंद्रनाथ है.
Ravindra Setu.
रविंद्र से.
It is a very beautiful bridge which is located on Kolkata, West Bengal. We can visit to visit this
On which
bridge.
river this Howrah bridge is there? On which river?
Hooghly.
Hooghly river.
It was established by Mrs. Randall Palmer in 1943. It is a very beautiful bridge that thousands of people come and visit this bridge. ये ब्रिज ही नहीं है, ये ब्रिज का इंडिया का इतिहास, कल्चर और सबसे प्यारा ट्रेडिशन है. धन्यवाद. आपको इसका नाइट व्यू देखना है?
नाइट व्यू दिखा. हाँ आ रहा है, एक साइड में आ रहा है. आज आपका स्कूल में करंट का प्रॉब्लम है सुबह से. ठीक है.
Good afternoon, sir.
बासर किला.
Yes, sir. So, sir, this is the model which is related to history, and it is known as Basar Kela. So, I would like to explain about Basar Kela, how it formed and who formed this, and what was the reason to form this. So there was a movement which is called Wahhabi movement, which is started by Muhammad Abdul Wahhab of Najaf. So he was a king, and he started that movement. That movement was based on that religious movement. So after this movement, that was successfully carried in Bengal by the Mir Nizar Ali, who is popularly known as Titu Mir. So there was war going between Britishers and Indian. So in order to protect himself and his followers, he formed this fortress. So fortress means a place where people hide themselves or protect themselves. So he made this hurriedly with his 600 followers, and in a one day he made this fortress to protect themselves, and they fought against the Britishers. So, sir, as we can see here, this orange and red one is Britishers, and this brown is Indian, and we have made
this with the help of mud, straw, and bamboo. So, and
तो तितुमुर का तितुमुर था ना, तितुमुर जो है वही केला बनाया था।
along with his followers.
आपका क्या बेटा?
Darjeeling है।
गोरखालैंड मूवमेंट।
It's Gorkhaland movement. Like it's small part of Darjeeling, which
Yes.
says that like this is Subhash Gising who first led for Gorkhaland movement. They first fight for Gorkhaland. Like they said that they wanted separate state for Nepali, which they did not got, and it was also continued by the Bimal Gurung. Present is still there, and it started from 2007. So these all Nepalis, they were together while there was independent in like 1914 or 1947, and like they all fight together before, like after they get independent, British separated Indians and Nepalis work. Nepalis like Gorkha, they got a work. मतलब गोरखा जो है वो उसने पाया चायपत्ती टिपने का काम, और इंडियन ने दूसरा काम पाया सेपरेट से। तो ये लोग वही गोरखा है जो अभी भी गोरखालैंड के लिए लाइक दे आर फाइटिंग स्टिल।
GTA का फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
गोरखालैंड टेरिटोरियल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन।
गुड। ये क्या है?
This is Gestro Illusion.
Gestro Illusion। अच्छा,
Sir, this is Gestro Illusion. So
इसमें से कौन सा बड़ा है? ये बड़ा है? हाँ? ना दोनों बराबर है?
this is like it's in when we this from this to this is bigger, but in actual this both are same. But why when we keep here, why this seems like this small? Because of this is small, this and this is bigger. When we keep in same angle, this seems that this one is big and this one is small. So for this reason we find that this is an illusion.
ये आपका क्या है वो? साइंस।
Sir, this is our urinary system. That
अच्छा,
this is kidneys and this is ureter. It carry urine from the kidney and it stored in bladder. Then after it keep urine for temporary. Then after with the help of bladder, urethra, it
goes out।
come out.
No? तो ये किडनी क्या काम करता है एक्चुअली?
It help it remove that waste and drugs and all, and it also helps to
फिल्टर करता है।
blood.
ये जो बाकी जो चीज़ आता है यहाँ से, ये सब फिल्टर करता है। फिल्टर करके पेशाब का हिसाब से निकाल देता है ना? ठीक। और आपका?
Good afternoon, sir. So this is our human lungs, and it is situated in the thoracic cavity. It is dark red or brownish in color, and it will help us to respire.
When we take in the oxygen, it pumps like this, and when we exhale the carbon dioxide, it will not pump. It will be rest. It will rest. And when we inhale, it will pump, and when we exhale, it will
ये पंप करने से क्या होता है? ये जो पंप करता है या तो सिस्टोल और डायस्टोल होता है, तो वो उसमें क्या होता है? ये पंप करने से क्या होगा?
पंप करने से जब हम ब्रीथ करते हैं ना, तब पंप करने से तो ऑक्सीजन अंदर जाता है और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड
निकल जाता है। ओके, गुड।
Chandrayaan was successfully landed on the moon in South Pole area, which was 69 degree. And this Chandrayaan-3, after the Russia, China, and after the countries, our Indian was the fourth nation to land it on moon, which was like 69 degree on South Pole. The South Pole. Sir, I will show you the experiment.
Put छोटा है और मत दबाओ नहीं तो एकदम चला जाएगा ऊपर में। एक
Yeah, I knew before, but today I was like, because as soon as my dance finished and I came here and I was yeah.
I observed all the experiments, all the models they have prepared, and I liked it very much. They have tried, the students of different classes, they have tried their best to perform their model activity also, and they explained. They have done some models without getting some theoretical knowledge also, but when this knowledge and activity, skill, both will combine, they will do better. So I wish them all the success. They will learn by their hands how to do that work, like this electricity are there, some function are there, heart का function है, उधर मॉडल का फंक्शन है, ये रॉकेट का भी फंक्शन है। तो ये सब अच्छा है, बच्चों खाली थ्योरी पढ़ने से तो नहीं होगा ना, ये जब इसका साथ साथ इसका प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज भी होगा वो तब और ज़िंदगी में भूलेगा नहीं ये चीज़। तो ये एक अच्छा चीज़ है, ये एक्टिविटी करना चाहिए स्कूल में, सबको इनकरेज करना चाहिए।